Okay, so today is day 40, and we really had our cleaning crew in here. We got a little bit of touch up to do on some of the white trim, which will be really the last things that we do. But most of the stuff has been cleaned. We'll have them come in here for a final little puff touch up. But we actually redid the stripes. We redid the grout in the laundry room. There's some paper towels and stuff there, but that sink is staying, so it's staying that way. But we've cleaned that thing with acid as much as we can. But everything else in the house is done. It is clean. We will, like I said, do a little bit more cleaning right before we put it on the listing. The fireplace as a screen, that's in. Windows were cleaned. We are really there on virtually everything. The mirror is back up. The tub is all caulked and cleaned. Toilet seats will go on right before it goes on the market. We take out the old ones and then we will put it on right before it goes on sale. We will put those on so they are brand new and not never used. So the new owner can get a brand new toilet seat. I'm stepping in some grout, so you bear with me a minute. I'm trying to clean up so I don't make a mess, and I'm sort of making a mess. So bear with me a second while I make sure I don't make a mess. Anyways, that window's in. Windows have been cleaned. Everything here is done. Sinks, lights. There again, the toilet seat we will not put in. We will also put a shower curtain up there right before it goes on the market. The tub has been cleaned, and just to show you, we got rid of all that rust stains. We got a little bit around that drain, which I'm going to touch up, but we also changed out that flip lever overflow cover and the drain cover, which was in terrible shape if you remember from the previous video. So we did change those. They look so much better. I generally hate changing those because you never know if that flip lever is going to work again or if you're going to run into a problem, but it went fairly well. And so we did touch up all the paint of the walls and the ceiling. The only thing we got left is the white trim and a little bit on the cabinets. But so you can see the microwave's in, the backsplash is in. Everything is ready to go. That plastic will be taken off the day we put it on the market. We have the stove covers. We're ordering new drip pans, and the cleaning person brought the with her, so she could really get the grates cleaned well. So those will be returned. They'll be soaked and really cleaned, and then they'll be returned. Those are hard to replace, but drip pans are fairly easy. We also did landscaping, a little bit of, I'll show you in the front as we're getting ready to go. We did do some landscaping. There's our area rugs that we will put out at the front of the house, along with our welcome signs. But we did do some mulching and stuff. We didn't do a lot of landscaping back here, but we did clean it up and mulch it, which it just looks a lot better. We cleaned up the tree line here a bit. It was getting a bit overgrown. And there's the neighbor dog, as usual. But as you can see, we had a mulch around the tree ring, and we planted some bushes here and remulched. And we planted some small shrubs of decorative grass and some flowers there. And we mulched there, cleaned that up. There's our pile of dead branches and stuff that we cut off when we trimmed. We cleaned up over there. There was a big bunch of dead stuff there. So that's it. We are pretty much done. This thing should go on the market early next week. We always put a house on the market on a Thursday or a Friday. That way, on the MLS, you get 7 to 10 days of a new listing moniker. And that way we get close to 2 weekends with it showing new. And that's what you want as much as possible. You want to do it right before you go into a weekend because those are the biggest showing days. Anyways, that's it for now.